In the late 19th century, this natural wonder did duty as a bridge traversed by horse-drawn wagons hauling felled timber from nearby woods to the nearest sawmill. Now known as the Natural Bridge of Arkansas, the 120-foot span of solid sandstone plays a leisure time role today as an impressive sight for visitors. The natural bridge, created by as many as 3 million years of erosion by Little Johnny's Creek, which now flows seasonally, it was long familiar to the area's Quapaw residents before the first European settlers arrived in the early 19th century. Any information panel reports indicates that a handful of Jayhawks, those robbers who roamed the region during the Civil War, used the rock shelters as sleeping places and the bridge as a shelter to their horses, which they had to keep saddled at all times because residents of the area were constantly trying to capture these dreaded ruffians. Later in the 19th century, celebrity outlaw Belle Starr hid out at the site. One of only a couple known images, probably taken a century or so ago, shows 24 men, women, and children who are posted sitting or standing on the sandstone arch. It is unknown whether they were an extended family, church members, or some other group enjoying time off from a daily routine. Built in 1871, this log cabin, which now serves as a gift shop and the entrance to the natural bridge, used to be a home dwelling to a family of 6.
Hey there, YouTube. Thank you for tuning in again with us. My name's Tim with Jeepinandexplorin, and today we're down running around Arkansas with Steve and Angie. And right now we are at the natural bridge, just a little ways down on Highway 65. And we're walking around here and looking and checking this place out, and we got a bunch of fun stuff today in store, so just follow along with us. We got a little bit of hiking, a little bit of jeep driving, a little bit of water crossings probably, and yeah, we're gonna hang out here and for a little bit, take in the scenery and get up the road. So stay tuned with us and see what we come across.
You ever seen those?
I've seen the sign.
Huh. That is cool.
So this is what they said was their little museum stuff that was actually used by people that homesteaded out here. It's real small and cramped, so it's kind of hard to walk around here and get everything in the camera. It's amazing how people used to fit in a bathtub like that. There's no way I'd get my butt in that these days. Underneath here, we're going to walk around, and there's a moonshine still underneath that was on the property before this was ever a park. A working moonshine still. Just in case you want to make some.
buddy down there?
I did.
You scared us because we came up this way.
Reminds me of some of my uncles at some family reunions I used to go to. That's cool. Really pretty. Cave up here. See what this has to offer. It goes up in there a little way. Another little one up here. I don't really call it a cave, rather an indention in the rock, but still cool nonetheless.
You ready to crawl in the caves?
Yep. More like cracks in the rock. There's only a few of us that are nutty enough to climb rocks to see a crack in a rock. That's cool, look at that. It ends there. I was like, okay, that goes there and that goes there. Well, that's cool. You got to walk.
Oh, yeah.
That's kind of cool.
She said nooks and crannies.
Yeah. I like the crannies.
There was a sea in front of that night.
You are a granny though, babe.
I'm a Yamgi, and there's a difference. You're in our jeep, so make it go. That would be cool. You could get them lined up on there perfect.
Yeah. So we've made it just outside of Heber Springs, Arkansas, and we're now at Bridal Falls. Not Bridal Falls, Bridal Veil Falls, excuse me, and Cornelius Falls. So a little bit of hiking trails around here to get to these, so we're gonna take you and show you these two waterfalls. So stay tuned for that.
Oh, it might be going down. There's a little comedy down. Oh, yeah, did you lock the Jeep?
Yeah.
Okay, 'cause my purse is right there on the floor.
There's another little waterfall over there. Do you now? Very pretty. Well, there's just more up there. And see, I like this kind of hiking. It's kind of like off-roading with your feet. So we are at the top of Bridal Veil Falls. That's where it goes over there. We're going to try to see if we can hike our way to the bottom. Alright, so we made it to the base of Bridal Veil Falls. Feels great down here. I definitely like to get in that water right now. Pretty good ways up there. Yeah. Alright. Now we're walking around behind it. This is amazing. You put me a chair back here behind this, I could sit for hours. Yeah, it is. Alright, this is Bridal Veil Falls. We're back behind it. Now we're going to go check out the Cornelius Falls, or what I call Cornholio Falls. We'll see you over there. Alright, so we've made it here to the falls. Look up through there. Go on up here and see what's up here. It's kind of busy here today, but it's a beautiful day in the mid-70s. People's out and about. That's why I usually do most of my hiking in the winter time. kind of, it's cold, but you get kind of the freedom of being by yourself. But I understand these public places, people want to get out, and I definitely encourage it, and definitely better than people sitting at home not doing nothing, watching TV, in my opinion. So definitely not mad about that. Let's see if I can catch up with the others. Did you go down to the bottom yet?
No, I don't know how to get down to the bottom.
Yeah, it's pretty through here. I like all the pines just adds to it.
I don't know if I can go all the way down that, like that way. Oh my god.
I don't see a trail down to the bottom over here.
Well, that just keeps going.
You gonna stay up here?
Well, it keeps going.
I'm trying to look good here.
I don't wanna go all the way down the bottom and have to go back up for nothing.
Come back.
It's like somebody had to have built that. It's like a rock wall almost. Yeah, somebody had to have built that. I could be wrong. It could have eroded. I don't know. Alright. So we hiked down this. Actually climbed down that. Now we're getting down here to the bottom. One nice thing is we've had some good rains recently, so these things are flowing pretty good. I think we're going to try to go up this way and see what it offers. Looks like it offers mud. Try to keep the camera on the waterfall or what have you. Ooh, this is slick. Find another crack in the wall. Alright, we made it. Here we go. Here's Cornelius Falls. Oh, look at that water. Oh. I would have long closed today. And I'd be getting in there. Man. That's so beautiful. We're going to make the hike back up to the top of the Jeeps, and then we're going to get up the road and see what else we can find up the road for you guys. So stay tuned.
I'm not sure yet.
Well, worst case, we can go play around the golf. Well, I may not, but so I have to swing the club for me. I forgot to bring my peace pipe.
You want to do the museum first, or go ahead and walk
It says
down
it's
to the
closed. Well, that sign says there. Yeah, let's do the museum. Let's see if it's open. Well, I seen the sign that said they was down at the cave. So we're at Fairfield Bay. There's a Indian museum here, and there's a cave down here that's got some hieroglyphics and stuff in it that we're gonna go check out. Unfortunately, it's by a golf course and stuff, which kind of ruins the mood, but we're here, we're gonna check it out.
You're back on the job.
Alrighty, are you coming free to sunrise service in the morning? Well, we're going to the Catholic Church tonight.
Yeah, I'd like to have one of those.
We could. We could.
We could consider that, thank you.
Sunrise services?
Yeah, sunrise.
Yeah. We haven't done that.
Well, we can say we've seen all the wildlife today.
And let me know. Did you sign the logbook?
Yeah, Patty and I said, I think they said.
There's your bobcat, babe.
The bullcat. And where are you folks from? Missouri.
Missouri, near
Well,
Springfield.
Ah, moving up that way pretty soon.
Oh, yeah? We're from Willard, which is
Where?
Willard. It's basically on the other side of the airport.
I'm thinking around Marshfield,
Oh.
Seymour, Mansfield, around there.
Yeah.
Okay, so how long, oh, you just got for the day? Yeah. The reason why I'm asking is I'm also in the information area, so if you need something else to do, I can fill your day up.
Oh. Yeah.
We filled our day up.
Keep moving.
Okay.
Angie, if you ever find a bobcat in the lawn, you know it's coming home, right?
It's going in your Jeep, huh?
That's all right. All up in there.
Get your picture in the crack. Oh my.
They do tours and
Either that or they do plays or something.
yeah, it would be a cool wedding spot.
Hey, honey, you want to get married again?
Oh.
How long have we been married?
Forever.
Oh, it's time for a new- it's time for a new wedding.
So we made it down here to the cave.
Don't even have no wedding.
These are all, some of these are new. Some of these are old, I guess you could say. Cave that goes back in here. We'll have to see in a minute. I'm not sure if we're gonna tell the difference of modern stuff or old stuff. There's a lot of carvings deep in that rock. This goes way back in here. Looks like it might come to an end in here. Let's see if I can light this up with my phone. Yeah, maybe. There we go. Well, all you can say, there's not really anything in here. I don't really see anything that looks old. Maybe some of that stuff. Well, let's make our way out of here and go back to the big cave. Down here. There's another, goes in there, but not very far. Oh, okay.
They're mixed in with a bunch of other graffiti.
Yeah, I was gonna say that other little cave, you could kind of see what it was modern stuff, but you could see carved in the rock that was, you know, a mixture of the old and the new. Oh, that's a big old opening. This is kind of like the Civil War cave in Ozarks. Bigger, but I don't know if you pick it up, but there's a bunch of carvings on the ceiling up there. I'm gonna snap some pictures after this video. Try to zoom in and add them in there. So those go way up there. Some of these look like they might have been early white settlers, maybe. Yeah, I don't think any Native Americans would have been carving Jesus and a cross in there. Oh, that step in the platform. It's, I guess, like a stage. And there's lots of years of carvings in here, but there's also a lot of modern stuff in here too. pretty much from this video, you're probably just going to be able to see more of the cave, more versus any of the writings on the walls.
Smiley face in that corner if you look just right. Straight up.
Oh, I see it. Is it in dirt?
No, I think it's actually holes in the top, just the way it's made.
Mm.
Yeah, it looks like a smiley.
Yeah.
And at this point, it looks like just a hole. And it's
Mhm.
Your wife is feeling great.
See, like that says 1995, so that's not going to impress me. Anyway.
That says 1927.
Yeah, I figured there was some early 1900s and some of these names, I'm like, them were white names and all that stuff. Probably before this was ever turned into private property. Anyway, we're gonna hop off this and take some pictures. See if, probably do it better justice with pictures than the video's doing. And then we're gonna get on up the road for some other adventures. making a damn road out of stone. Well, we made it down here. There used to be a low water bridge down here, and they've taken it out and turned this around. We were going to try to brave it and go through there, but that's up over my belly and really swift right there, so this wouldn't be a problem. This is a problem. Since they took all that out, that makes this swifter and it's dug that out. So unfortunately, we are going to have to turn around and backtrack. I mean, definitely a beautiful area down here. We wanted to come out over there so we could get to Stem Rock, but that may not happen today. But you win some and you lose some. But anyways, I guess we're going to backtrack and go on up the road and see if we have time to go somewhere else, and before we go get a bite to eat and head back to Missouri. So just stay tuned. Well, that kind of goes down.
We refinanced it.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. So it's really hard to kind of let go of it. Yeah. I'm having a house payment. Whew. I'm worried I can insurance. That's ridiculous. I know. Highway robbery. This system's fucking ridiculous. All our money goes. Yeah.
Look at them cracks in the rock. That just, it's like a perfect, yeah. You said crevice.
I didn't say crevice. Like a butt crack.
I know. So in case y'all didn't notice that sign when we got here, we're walking to called Stem Rock. This is going to be the last thing we can get done today. We're currently hiking to it. Looks like it used to be able to drive back here, but they've got it where you can't drive back here now, so not legally. So we're hiking back here to it. So hopefully we'll be there in a few minutes. Nice. Well, we're almost there. Getting right up here to it. If you guys have made it this far with us, thank you for hanging out with us. I'd like to think it's worth it to some people. I know attention spans are short, but for the people that don't have the opportunity to do this, how else are you going to see it besides YouTube videos? And in my opinion, this is a lot better than most of the drama that is on TV these days anyways. That's my opinion. Oh, this is cool. Why is it every time we go somewhere, I'm like, oh, this is my favorite spot, and then we go to a new spot, I'm like, never mind, now this one is.
Look at this pedestal.
I'm looking at somebody built that awesome bench right there too.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, I want one of those.
This thing balances.
That's just crazy.
Oh wow.
Oh man, this is relaxing up here.
Stupid. I mean it. No, you should not.
Here.
It's almost too windy.
Yeah, it's pretty windy.
A lot of trees.
Oh my gosh.
We
Just get over there.
get
Yeah.
these.
Don't worry about it. Good Lord.
Mountain man.
Where are you going to? All the way over? Oh, don't you do no police jumping.
Yeah, that one's feasible.
Don't you be jumping nothing.
Man, what a hole. Did you see that hole?
Oh my God.
That's what he said. Extend this out. All right, well, that was a beautiful area down there. Got some good photos and everything, but it's getting close to being dark. We're gonna head up to, I think Leslie, Arkansas. There's a bar and grill up there we're gonna go check out. They got some music and everything, but we're gonna sign out here, make our way back to Missouri, like I said, have some dinner. And anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. Like I said earlier, especially if you made it this far. So anyways, just make sure and check out everything in the description. Be telling you guys what all we're going to be doing, all of our charity events coming up. If you follow us on Facebook, we're getting ready to announce some more charity rides and stuff coming up here pretty soon. an overnight run, Arkansas run, probably a night run, some stuff like that. But anyways, we're gonna get up the road, and thank you for watching again, like I said. But and we keep exploring, and we'll see you next trip. Later.